Okay, on.
Alright, so we grew the starter, and I forgot to start the recording, but it had grown up to about here. It was about 2 days ago we fed it, and I let it sit out for, I don't know, maybe 6 hours or so, and then put it in the fridge ever since, and just got it out of the fridge. It's still floating, so that means it's healthy and ready to go. That's what you want to do, is always start with your water, add your starter, and make sure it floats. And you'll see that I don't have much left, but that amount, just that little glob on the bottom there, I'll be able to feed that and grow more starter. So that's still enough for just me. So I'll grow that into some more, and then I still have more I can share and bake with again. So back to this. It's what calls for 300 grams of starter. I had like 272. Close enough. What I've realized is, even if you're not exactly spot on with any of the ingredients, you still get bread. So that's all that really matters. I'm gonna end up with bread. So yes, it's the recipe is 650 grams of water. So this is room temperature water. You never want it cold, you don't want it hot. Just room temperature is good. And it's supposed to be 300 grams of freshly fed inactive starter. We know it was active because it was floating. If it is inactive, it will sink. And